That's Shirley there. This is for YouTube. It's for, we're here at Heidelberg Hospital, Austin Hospital. That's Gisa down there, and Sunny, say hi, Sunny.
Hi.
And Lilo, say hi. And Gisa there. All ready to go to visit Fewoks, who's in this hospital. The news is that he went Kala'au, brought in his stack, and he cut a tree, came down, felt a bit not too well, and anyway he lay on the ground, and they had to ring an ambulance because he didn't know anyone or anything. So there's a police car there going past. So we're here at Austin campus hospital, going inside to meet him. Dom's with him, Mum's with him, and yeah, as I said, it's for YouTube, for family to catch it straight away. Bye.